AWS solutions. Architects are responsible for designing and managing applications on the Amazon Web Services, or AWS platform. They collaborate closely with developers and system administrators to ensure that applications are built to scale and perform optimally on AWS. Additionally, solutions architects work with customers to help them understand how to best utilize the AWS platform to meet their business needs. Beyond their technical skills, solutions architects must also be adept at communicating effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. What is Amazon EC2? Well, EC2 stands for
Welcome.
Elastic Compute Cloud.
We are a team of
provides
online
scalable
education
computing
experts
capacity
ready to
in
make
the
your
cloud.
learning engaging and
Using
effective.
Amazon EC2 eliminates the need to invest in physical hardware, which speeds up the development and deployment of applications. You can use Amazon EC2 to launch as many or as few virtual servers as you need, configure security and networking, and manage storage. It's designed to scale up or down to handle changes in requirements, thus reducing the need to forecast traffic. EC2 provides virtual computing environments called instances. What are some of the security best practices for Amazon EC2? Key security best practices for Amazon EC2 include using Identity and Access Management, or IAM, to control access to AWS resources. It's crucial to restrict access by only allowing trusted hosts or networks to access ports on an instance. Always ensure that you only open up those permissions you absolutely require, and consider disabling password-based logins for instances launched from your AMI. What is Amazon S3? S3 stands for Simple Storage Service, and it is the most supported storage platform available today. Amazon S3 is an object storage that can store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. Despite this versatility, it remains practically unlimited and cost-effective as it provides storage available on demand. In addition to these benefits, Amazon S3 offers unprecedented levels of durability and availability. It also helps in managing data for cost optimization, access control, and compliance. Can S3 be used with EC2 instances? And if yes, how? Well, Amazon S3 can indeed be used for instances with root devices backed by local instance storage. This allows developers to access the same highly scalable, reliable, fast, inexpensive data storage infrastructure that Amazon uses to run its own global network of websites. To execute systems in the Amazon EC2 environment, developers load Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs, into Amazon S3 and then move them between Amazon S3 and Amazon EC2. It's worth noting that Amazon EC2 and Amazon S3 are two of the best-known web services that make up AWS. What is Identity and Access Management, commonly known as IAM, and how is it used? IAM is a web service that's essential for securely controlling access to AWS services. It allows you to manage users, security credentials such as access keys, and permissions that control which AWS resources users and applications can access. This is crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of your data on AWS. What is Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, and why is it used? A VPC is the best way of connecting to your cloud resources from your own data center. By connecting your data center to the VPC where your instances are present, each instance is assigned a private IP address that can be accessed from your data center. This setup allows you to access your public cloud resources as if they were on your own private network, enhancing both security and connectivity. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable and highly available domain name system, or DNS. The name Route 53 refers to TCP or UDP port 53, where DNS server requests are addressed. CloudTrail is a service that captures information about every request sent to the Amazon Route 53 API by an AWS account, including requests that are sent by IAM users. CloudTrail saves log files of these requests to an Amazon S3 bucket. It captures information about all requests. You can use information in the CloudTrail log files to determine which requests were sent to Amazon Route 53, the IP address that the request was sent from, who sent the request, when it was sent, and more. You would use provisioned IOPs when you have batch-oriented workloads. Provisioned IOPS delivers high I/O rates, but it is also expensive. However, batch processing workloads do not require manual intervention. Amazon RDS is a database management service for relational databases. It manages patching, upgrading, and data backups automatically. It's a database management service for structured data only. On the other hand, DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service for dealing with unstructured data. Redshift is a data warehouse product used in data analysis. Businesses use cloud computing in part to enable faster disaster recovery of critical IT systems without the cost of a second physical site. The AWS cloud supports many popular disaster recovery architectures, ranging from small customer workload data center failures to environments that enable rapid failover at scale. With data centers all over the world, AWS provides a set of cloud-based disaster recovery services that enable rapid recovery of your IT infrastructure and data.
Start your journey to new knowledge and opportunities today. Join us and discover the world of endless possibilities in online education.